Hi, this is David from Smart World. We are testing the new CPAA wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay adapter in a Haval H6. The device is connected to the USB port, as you can see, just there. And we're gonna test it with an Android system. So we just plugged in the device. It's very easy to change from Android to CarPlay. Just double tap here, and right now it's in the Android mode. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into settings in our device and just pair in connections. I'm just gonna find the Bluetooth connectivity and find the Auto 8064. There we go. And just as you know, this is wireless Android, and here we go. It's all connected, all working really good. Not problem at all. So Android for you wirelessly, no need to connect any cables. We're just gonna test one thing, is because with these cars, when you put the camera, sometimes some wireless CarPlay adapters will disconnect, but this one won't. So I'm just gonna turn on the car, and I'm just gonna change the gears from to the retro, so it's showing the camera there, and I'm just gonna go back to neutral, just release the pedal, and Android Auto is still there, connected, not a problem. Yeah, it's all working really well. I'm just gonna show you one last thing. I'm just gonna exit from here because it's really important for you to, I'm just gonna exit from here because it's something really important. It doesn't let me exit. It's really important. Something that you need to know is the system on your car. Your Haval needs to have the latest software version, so please make sure that your Haval has this software version, because sometimes we have here customers whose the units are not working. Just make sure that you have the latest Haval software version. If not, just go to your dealer to update the software version, so all the CarPlay or wireless CarPlay functions or products that we show you work really well. And here we go, so up and running, not a problem. Please note that this Android version emulates through CarPlay, so you go to CarPlay to use Android Auto. So this is great also for cars who don't have Android Auto, has only CarPlay. You can put this device and convert your CarPlay into an Android Auto system for those Android users. So it's a great solution. And if you want to find more, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.